Hi everyone, I'm Simon Loseby, head of Hyundai Styling Group. Our design philosophy, Sensuous Sportiness, it's an emotional beauty satisfying all five senses, combined with innovative solutions to realize the beauty. Hyundai Motor Company's design identity proposes a new lifestyle in all points that you experience. The new Azera, a Hyundai flagship sedan model, puts a daring break on the stereotypes that we had. When designing a new vehicle, Hyundai Motor Company not only focuses on beautiful lines and planes, but also tries to imbue the design with zeitgeist of the society. Once vehicles representing the zeitgeist of society run on the roads, I'm convinced that the scenery of the roads and even the society and lifestyle can change. We wanted to demonstrate this unattempted innovation and progress through the new Azera by reflecting new zeitgeist and changed social value. Azera has its own progressive and unique character, which is unparalleled to any other sedan. It is because Azera exists and is destined to evolve continuously to be a better version of itself. The new Azera has entirely transformed itself to the extent that it goes beyond a simple facelift. And there's no design more attractive than sincerity towards our customers. And the new Azera presents you a new lifestyle that rejects the old stereotypes, but holds inner beliefs and self-satisfaction in high regard, and is not afraid of bold and disruptive innovation. The new Azera's design unconventionally started from the interior and extended its confidence to the exterior, making it even more progressive and future-thinking. The interior of this vehicle is designed like an upscale, comfortable lounge. It provides not just a space in a mode of transportation, but also a living space where passengers can be fully refreshed and recharged. The wide, long, horizontal interior seamlessly combines all functions, offering organic connections. The silver garnish with 64-color ambient mood lamp wraps around the lower crash pad and adds a more sophisticated feeling. At the same time, the theme is applied to the silver garnish of the center console. While continuing its heritage, the vehicle also creates an even smarter IT environment with two seamlessly integrated 12.3-inch displays. Similar to the center fascia, its high console that appears to be floating is finished with a silver garnish around an elegant curved design, giving enhanced convenience to the passengers. Its exterior design is of course in line with the innovation from the inside. Hyundai Motor Company introduced its design philosophy, Sensuous Sportiness, with the concept car Le Fil Rouge. At the front-end facade of its flagship model, the new Azera, was directly inspired by the concept car. It showcased a seamless front-end design, boldly defying conventional concept of distinguishing hood and grille and lights and bumper. The Azera applies an integrated front-end architecture to the mass production design for the first time, seamlessly combining all functions on a giant taut plane without any disconnection or division. The daytime running lights remind me of constellations in the night sky, as they are always in the same place but not visible under the sun, but at night they twinkle brightly under the moon. Its radiator grille with signature parametric dual pattern reflects lights in different angles depending upon where you're standing. Perfect integration of the new Azera's special DRL with the radiator grille will present customers with a beauty taken to the next level. Let's take a look at the side view. Usually, a facelift design does not change the sides of the vehicle, as it concentrates on the front or the rear end. However, we gave thoughts on the special values we can provide through the sides of the vehicle. And finally, we decided to extend the wheelbase so that our customers can fully enjoy their own space in the car amid their hectic days. This resulted in a higher comfort and premium value for for the top-class Hyundai sedan. Based on its predecessor, we tried to evolve the new Azera's rear end to be even more dramatic and even more emotional. Its iconic rear combination lamp got even thinner through the latest innovative technology. Thanks to this, we were able to take the design up a notch, combining high-tech image with its unique lighting identity. Last but not least, it comes in 8 elegant and neutral colors, including Black Forest, which is a new addition to the color palette. Well-paved road is obvious. Predetermined path follows familiar and general social norms. However, we didn't dwell on our past. The new Azera will be the perfect premium sedan representing the progress of Hyundai Motor Company. I'm really happy to present this car to you, to young leaders who blaze their own success trails, who move one step ahead of others to pursue new value, and take cutting-edge technology and performance to a higher level.
Salam alaikum, I'm Theo Kim. Hyundai Motor Company strives to deliver values beyond customer expectations with the vision of progressive for humanity. Although the new Azera is a facelifted model, we have applied massive changes and upgrades, meeting the rapidly changing market and customer needs. I'm so pleased to introduce Hyundai's most sophisticated and elegant next-generation flagship model, Azera. The keyword that best describes the new Azera design is premium. The major element is the new parametric dual pattern grille, highlighting the new flagship sedan's upscale and premium image. The LED DRL positioned on the grille adds a shimmering jewel touch, illustrating the new Azera's iconic and futuristic image. The new Azera gives off an elegant yet sporty look. It is imposing and not old-fashioned, boasting its flagship elegance while keeping pace with the trends. Its 60mm longer length gives the model a more stable stance, especially with the 40mm longer wheelbase. The front features a customizable 64-color ambient light system to suit your daily mood. The key point to interior design is to help you visualize yourself sitting in a comfortable upscale lounge. We have also blended the symbolic colors of the Middle East, like the fine sand color of desert. The dual 12.3-inch screens illustrated Azera's high-tech image. Also, the 6 different sounds of nature will bring extreme comfort to you. A tidier floor console with shift-by-wire transmission adds a more refined touch of elegance. Hyundai's new Azera comes with the latest high-tech features to cater to the sophisticated taste of our customers. The blind spot view monitor detects other vehicles coming from blind spots, while blind spot collision avoidance assist prevents lane change leading to possible collision, both proactively ensuring your safety. Lane following assist through lane identification will maintain the vehicle at the center of the current lane. Through LFA, you will discover Hyundai's latest autonomous vehicle technology. ADAS found in the previous model, including forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and smart cruise control system, will also be available in the new Azera. Surround view monitor was further upgraded with a large 12.3-inch screen. Rear view, rear top view selection is possible according to parking conditions, and the top view on the right allows zoom in and out. Safe exit assist when identifying a vehicle approaching from the blind spot after parking keeps the electronic power child lock activated while protecting the second row passengers. This is a safety feature available for the new Azera customers who consider family safety as top priority. Given the high elegance of Azera customers who care for both themselves and their families, we have applied a backup guide lamp for the first time among Hyundai lineup. By displaying guiding lights on the road, when backing the vehicle, it alerts pedestrians to be aware that the driver is driving back, providing additional safety. The new Azera applies rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist. The feature provides both a simple warning and emergency braking when a vehicle coming from a blind spot is detected, while the driver is backing up the car. RCCA eliminates the risks of blind spots together with EVM and BCA to deliver a stress-free driving environment. On the first day of early contacts in Korea, Hyundai pre-sold 17,000 units of new Azera, the highest record in Hyundai's history. We cannot wait to introduce this successful model to our African and Middle Eastern customers. Hyundai's new Azera, with an upgraded sense of luxury and elegance, will accompany you on your journey to success. Thank you.
شيكب. ايش هو النجاح؟ النجاح هو قوة.
تدفعك دائما للأمام، بس ما تنسيك تشوف وراك.
النجاح هو الجودة
اللي تفهمك وتلبي طموحك.
النجاح يعني تقدر تغير مسارك
عشان تبقى دائما في المقدمة.
وش هو النجاح؟ واضحة.